How to install the device. First, locate the buttonhole on the inside of the pocket. Feed the end of the sound cord without the headpiece on through the buttonhole. Then pull the cord through the inside of the shirt towards the collar. Attach the other end of your sound cord to your listening device. Clip the device to the elastic band. Thread the cord through the loop. And connect your headpiece. And then slide your listening device into the pocket. Pull any remaining slack in the cord out of the pocket and then close. Your device is now hidden in your shirt. Once you're all hooked up, turn on your device, pull your shirt on, and you're ready to go. 1, 2, 3.